For the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic in Cupertino, please visit cupertino.org/coronavirus.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Cody. I'm the health officer for Santa Clara County. I want to just talk a little bit about where we are and what it means for schools. We're in a time that feels uncertain, but in a way we all are comfortable with uncertainty now. We're in a large surge of Omicron. And while it might feel uncertain and even a little bit scary, the good news is that the illness that we're seeing from Omicron is milder than previous variants of COVID. We also have learned that we need to find ways to coexist and to live with COVID. We have 2 years under our belt and we've learned a lot. And one of the things we've learned is the importance of balance. We have goals as a community, and one of those goals, a very central goal, is to ensure that our kids get a solid education. We've learned that in-person education is what they need. And remote learning doesn't support their mental health, emotional health, and academic well-being nearly the way that in-person learning does. So we are centering our efforts on ensuring that our kids remain in school for in-person learning, as well as continuing our efforts to do everything that we can do to ensure an environment that's safe as possible. So while we do have a lot of Omicron circulating in the community, there are things that each of us can do to protect ourselves. And as we've talked about, it's vaccination, boosting, wearing a well-fitting mask, and of course, staying home when you're sick to protect others. Together, I think that we're going to get through this surge. We're going to keep our kids in school where they thrive. And in closing, I want to wish everyone a very happy 2022. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Ann Dewan, Santa Clara County Superintendent of Schools. We know there is a surge of positive COVID-19 cases in the community, and this creates uncertainty. With the growing COVID-19 cases across the county, we are reminded of the importance of using multiple layers of risk mitigation strategies to protect our community and maintain in-person learning at schools. The health and safety of our students, staff, and families remains our top priority, and our schools are committed to healthy environments for students and staff. Schools throughout Santa Clara County have been working diligently to ensure safe classrooms. It remains critically important to use all of the proven layers of protection: masking, such as double masking, vaccinations, booster shots for those who are eligible, testing, and remaining home when sick to prevent further spread. Despite this latest surge, we know that we've collectively made progress since the school year began. And to best protect full-time in-person instruction, we need to remain diligent in our efforts and adhere to safety protocols. The ability for a school district to offer remote or virtual learning ended on June 30th, 2021. In-person learning is the best option for our students. Schools continue to operate with the latest health and safety guidance offered by the California Department of Public Health, and we're working alongside our districts to preserve in-person learning. Together, we can mitigate COVID-19 and preserve in-person learning.
For the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic in Cupertino, please visit cupertino.org/coronavirus.